Okay, everyone, welcome back to another video by me. Sila video by me tutorial lo triple law blow motion where Newton even come up one time law describing any movement or motion blow all particular or all bodies. Okay, basically this play talk law classical physics, which is basically governing all motions or interactions with all bodies macroscopically. Kan si we can look him, now we can calculate him speed blow, we can calculate him position blow lah. When him full stop, when him speed only got him blow certain time kan si. Okay, so triple law blow Newton basically talk law all these law physical properties or activities interaction that between all object that you can look in. Okay, otherwise suppose we go down low microscopic level, the same electron and move low one energy level go another energy level, this la by quantum physics by look at this la section law describe motion by Newton law by not apply to mass law this law electrical particle. Okay, so first law to go same. Suppose one body start to rest or one particle start to rest and by maintaining position belong or suppose move on them same speed and by maintaining this speed the straight line not increasing speed or not decreasing speed unless one unbalanced force act upon long or unless we got one net force, external force, apply until the body, where stop to rest, and move, or move on them same speed, and by either increasing speed blame or by slowing speed blame. For example, suppose one box stop until the table, and by stop the table enough, you come na push him and by move. Otherwise, and by maintaining position blame on top of the table. Okay. Or suppose one ball and move the same speed and by maintaining the speed unless you got one external unbalanced force apply on top of the body and by reducing speed or by increasing speed. Okay, the physics or the concepts and we got him mathematical expression law can law describing all in terms of calculations law set law maths. Okay, so that we can make him calculation. So law mathematics side of this law and minimum same got force on top of the body. Okay, or we can talk suppose you got plenty force, we talk the sum of forces equal to 0. Okay, meaning that suppose you add more get a force or cancel them all out yet, now you go in up 0 or same no at one force act the body. Okay, so suppose no at force and body but stop to rest. Or suppose no at force and the body by move the same speed na stop can say. So example, suppose bale soka bale and stop lo grass and by remain lo grass na stop. Suppose you go kick him now and by move. And suppose this la soka ball and move lo same speed and by continue lo move lo same speed unless suppose you got one unbalanced force and stop and by reducing speed blame. So lo this la example we got net suppose net stop now and by stop him or by slow him speed to this level. So net come up same create him unbalanced force low slow him soccer ball speed blame by slow down. So our name law Newton first law we talk law of inertia. So inertia basically a minimum same tendency to this body or particle law remain at rest or move on them same speed without any unbalanced force can say, right? Okay, this two condition not name law same body is in equilibrium. Okay, either stop to rest or move on them same speed and one kind of same this body or particle stop to equilibrium position kind of same. So now second law now suppose one unbalanced force come or net force come up now by causing body law accelerator acceleration imisabe change of speed divided by time. Suppose you got velocity or speed, you dividing by time and acceleration. So suppose you got this like come up, velocity change, speed change. You dividing by time and give me acceleration. It's like acceleration. One thing to remember that m by accelerate equal direction where force where been cosmium lo move here. M to blow on time by parallel all move the same direction. So suppose, for example, suppose force you apply lo one plus object, for instance a ball, okay, so a ball. Suppose you apply one plus force lo x direction towards the plus x. This is like acceleration too, and by move lo towards the plus x axis or direction towards the east. For example, suppose you kick him go right, so acceleration 2 bar goes him right. So in terms of mathematical expression, a minimum same force is equals to mass times acceleration. So two plus quantity involved, a mass na acceleration. In order lo imi sabe lo force where cosimem lo move, m sla two plus ba imi multiply mol. Okay. So example, suppose Balia got mass. Now suppose you apply force and also you kick him. Now m by move. Okay. Now movement belong m by accelerator in terms of acceleration. Okay. Meaning that velocity divided by time by give me acceleration. So or you can talk m change in speed blame with respect to time and give me acceleration. So suppose you have lo mass belong you can calculate in force where cosimem lo move. Okay. Or in terms of acceleration, suppose you make him acceleration come of subject and by equal law force divided by mass, okay, which is basically means that acceleration m inversely proportional to mass. Okay, suppose you got big plus object and then big plus mass, acceleration blame by lick. Suppose lick object and then lick mass, acceleration blame by big plus depending on force. Suppose constant force you apply you apply 1 plus 50 Newton example, 1 plus box, weigh m 5 kg, and by accelerate faster than you applying 50 Newton, 1 plus box where m weighing 50 kg, So, and that's how equation and talk you milo m. Okay. So that law and talk sem in lo topisin mam talk baking when is anti making lo you must baking lo here body 1, suppose I'm applying 1 plus force to body 2, select body 2 by applying same force in magnitude, go back to body 1, okay, in the opposite direction. So, in terms of mathematical expression, F1 is equals to negative F2. Negative and basically the given direction because forces and all vectors, okay, acceleration and vectors, velocity vectors so you must give direction. So we can talk of F1 on 2 or equals to negative F2 on 1 for example okay. Alright, one plus simple example, I'm suppose you push a wall and by applying same force but in the opposite direction. You come back and back in one you give him lema. Suppose you push him one time 1 plus force. This is the wall and by applying same force in magnitude, but and by back him back. By react one him you put him or when something you apply lema. So we can talk action reaction force solo summarizing we can talk first law motions or Newton's first law governing any body that is in equilibrium, meaning force m0. Okay, in terms of force. Okay, second law we can talk acceleration law. Governing any body that accelerate we got motion due to unbalanced force So we must have a mass blow body and then acceleration blame and then we can calculate in force Now third law we can talk law of action reaction force you got two plus force where or two plus body you must stop law come up in third law of motion. So wall and 1 plus body, u and 1 plus body, you push him, so m 2 plus different body. Newton third law, one thing to note is that M non apply the same body. Okay, one per body that's all, you cannot apply both forces kano sema. It not make sense. Only when you have two bodies, you can be able to describe these forces by using third law. Okay, Newton's third law. Okay, so for example, law here in me talk, for example, blame me, F1 is equals to negative F2. In me pushing wall, give him back kama and back him force blame me, the opposite direction. Okay, so M to solve, suppose you plug at some question, you can ask him, na me discuss them. Thank you.